Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Have you ever reached a point in your life where your heart feels exhausted, where your mind never stops thinking? You worry about tomorrow, you stress about money, you fear losing the people you love, and sometimes you smile in front of everyone while secretly fighting battles inside your soul. My brothers and sisters, many of us are carrying burdens that were never meant for our shoulders. We are trying to control everything, every outcome, every situation, every future event, and because of that, our hearts are restless. But today, I want to share with you a secret that can completely change the way you live, the way you think, the way you sleep at night, and the way you face every difficulty in life. That secret is tawakkul. Complete trust in Allah, not partial trust, not trust only when life is easy, but trust even when everything around you seems to be falling apart. What is tawakkul? Now, many people misunderstand tawakkul. They think tawakkul means sit at home, do nothing, and wait for miracles. No, that is not tawakkul. That is laziness disguised as faith. Islam never taught us to abandon effort. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us balance. He told a man, tie your camel and then trust in Allah. Think deeply about this. Imagine a traveler in the desert. He leaves his camel untied and says, Allah will protect it. No, that is not trust. That is carelessness. Real tawakkul is when you study hard and trust Allah with the results. You apply for jobs and trust Allah with provision. You seek treatment and trust Allah with healing. You work with sincerity, but your heart depends only on Allah. Because my brothers and sisters, tawakkul does not mean you stop making effort. It means you stop believing that your effort controls the outcome. Only Allah controls outcomes. And that realization brings peace to the heart. The 4-step strategy for inner peace. Whenever life overwhelms you, I want you to remember these 4 steps. These steps can change your relationship with stress forever. Step 1, identify the problem. Stop drowning in 10 worries at the same time. Sit quietly. Ask yourself, what exactly is stealing my peace? Is it money, family problems, health, fear of the future? Identify it clearly, because a confused mind creates more anxiety. Step 2, hand it over to Allah. Go somewhere private, raise your hands and speak to Allah honestly. Say, Ya Allah, I am tired. I cannot carry this burden alone anymore. I hand it over to you. My brothers and sisters, there is something powerful about speaking to Allah with sincerity. Sometimes the tears you cry in sujood become the reason your life changes forever. Step 3, let go of the how. This is where many people struggle. We trust Allah, but secretly we still want to control everything. We say, Ya Allah, solve my problem, but do it my way. No, leave the how to Allah, because Allah sees what you cannot see. You see today, Allah sees your entire future. Sometimes the delay is protection. Sometimes the closed door is mercy. Sometimes the pain you hate today is preparing you for a blessing you cannot yet understand. Step 4, move forward. Trust Allah and keep moving. If you need a job, apply. If you failed, try again. If your heart is broken, heal slowly, but continue living. If you are sick, take your medicine. Never confuse tawakkul with giving up. Tawakkul is not weakness, it is strength, because when your heart relies on Allah, fear loses its power over you. Dealing with disappointment. But what happens when life does not go the way you wanted? What happens when the door stays closed? When the dua seems unanswered? When the pain lasts longer than expected? This is the moment where many people lose hope. This is where shaitan whispers, see, your prayers are not working. But listen carefully, my brothers and sisters, a believer never truly loses. Never. Because if Allah did not give you what you wanted, then one of three things happened. Either Allah saved you from something worse, or He delayed it for the perfect time, or He prepared something far greater for you. You may not understand it today, but one day you will look back and say, Subhanallah, Allah knew exactly what He was doing. Every hardship carries wisdom. Every test carries growth. Every pain carries purification. And every moment of patience is seen by Allah. Never think your suffering is unnoticed. Allah sees every tear, every sleepless night, every silent prayer, and Allah never abandons the believer. So my dear brothers and sisters, stop carrying a weight that was never meant for your shoulders. You are the servant, Allah is the controller. You are responsible for effort, but Allah is responsible for results. So work hard, stay halal, pray sincerely, avoid what displeases Allah, and attach your heart to the one who controls everything. Because when Allah opens a door for you, no human being can close it. And when Allah protects you from something, it may actually be His greatest mercy. Trust Him even when you do not understand the journey. Trust Him when life becomes uncertain. Trust Him when your heart feels weak, because the one who relies upon Allah will never be abandoned. May Allah grant you peace in your heart, strength in your struggles, and complete tawakkul in His perfect wisdom. Ameen. Jazakallahu khairan. Faqatu al-amhu.